Nike continues to blend heritage and modern influence with the Air Max 95 Total 90 project, highlighting the brand's renewed focus on classic Air Max design and soccer-inspired style. One standout from the pack is the black and university yellow colorway, which delivers a bold yet wearable look rooted in early 2000s aesthetics. The dark upper is contrasted by sharp university yellow accents, creating strong visual energy while keeping a clean lifestyle appeal. Signature details connect the sneaker to the Total 90 legacy, including the encircled 95 branding on the tongue and retro-inspired Air Max text found on the midsole and heel. Reflective elements add depth and visibility, reinforcing the era that inspired the design. Inside, a checkered insole combines black and yellow tones with a globe and soccer ball graphic, emphasizing the crossover theme. Although early images surfaced in grade school sizing, adult pairs are confirmed. Expect this release as part of Nike's Spring 2026 lineup.